Want to make money on YouTube from your first video? Yeah, before you even hit 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. Sounds impossible, but stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you the exact way I started earning from day one. Most creators waste months posting videos that get views but earn nothing. I used to think that's YouTube's rulebook until I discovered a cleaner path that skips the wait and pays faster. If you've ever thought, when will YouTube finally pay me? This is the shortcut that actually works. First, here's the core. You don't have to wait for YouTube. The platform called Whop connects creators with advertisers and product offers that pay you for short clips or for promoting digital products. Go to Whop, browse the marketplace, and look for advertiser opportunities in your niche. Companies that explicitly pay per view, per clip, or on commission for digital goods. I'm not talking hypotheticals. Brands on Whop will pay creators to produce short videos or promo clips, and some offers list straightforward rates like dollars per thousand views or clear affiliate commissions. The advantage is huge. Instead of waiting for YouTube's approval, you create content aligned with a brand's requirements and get paid directly. You can also sell your own guides, presets, or templates on Whop and earn commission immediately. The moment you understand that advertisers will pay for eyeballs, the whole waiting game disappears. Second, you need volume, consistent, high-quality short-form videos, and that's where Creonix becomes the multiplier. Creonix's Shorts Maker turns one source video into multiple ready-to-post clips in minutes. Log in, upload a source video or a piece of stock footage, and let the AI generate short versions with captions, music, text overlays, and viral hooks. I used to spend hours chopping and captioning each clip. With Creonix, I upload one file and get 10 different shorts optimized for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Preview the generated options, tweak one or two little settings, and download everything.
You know, Bank of America was first called Bank of Italy. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
So can you pull up, Rob, was Bank of America first Bank of Italy? If I'm wrong, it is what it is. I think Bank of America was originally Bank of Italy, and everybody used to, yes, the Bank of America was originally founded in Bank of Italy in 1904.
Captions, transitions, and all. Show the processing in speeded up time and viewers see it's real. The tool adds automatic cuts, places hooks in the first second, and formats captions so your retention spikes. The result, what used to take me 2 to 3 hours now takes about 5 minutes. Now let me tie it together into the exact playbook I use. Pick a niche that has monetizable offerings on Whop, find a brand or product that fits, and create content specifically targeted at those offers. Use Creonix to generate a pack of shorts from each shoot, so you're publishing volume instead of a single long video. Post across platforms, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and route traffic back to the asset you're promoting on Whop. Why? Or to your own product page. For example, shoot a quick 60-second explainer or tip in tech, fitness, or personal finance. Upload it to Creonix, pull out 5 to 10 variations, then apply to or pitch those clips to the advertiser on Whop who wants short-form promo content. Track views and conversions, and repeat. Do the simple math with me. If you publish 40 shorts a month and average 5,000 views per video, that's 200,000 monthly views. If a Whop offer pays roughly $2 per thousand views, you're looking at about $400 in month 1. When you finally qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you don't lose this income, you double dip. You keep advertiser payouts and start receiving ad revenue from YouTube. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You still need to create content that provides value, test which hooks work for your audience, and be consistent. What this strategy removes are the biggest friction points: the monetization wait time and the editing bottleneck. Creonix gives you speed. Whop gives you immediate monetization. Combine them, and you get a sustainable loop. Ideate, create one source clip, multiply with Creonix, post everywhere, earn through Whop, optimize, scale. If you want to try this now, here's what I recommend. Sign up for Creonix and test the Shorts Maker. Spend 5 minutes generating clips so you know how it works. Then browse Whop for advertiser opportunities in your niche, apply, and start sending them short-form content. Quick transparency. I use Creonix and I'm an affiliate, so if you sign up through my link, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support these videos and I only promote tools I actually use. Try this strategy for 1 month. Create, post, and track. Drop a comment with your niche and the results. I'll check them and share tips. This is the new era for creators. Faster production, instant monetization, and real momentum from day one. Don't wait for YouTube to give you permission to earn. Monetize yourself.